There's so much damage in this car. Gash, scratch, bumper strip dented, this shit peeling, gash, more gash somewhere over here, I don't know. Scratch, gash, scratch. This is not in good shape anymore. Well, mirror got it. Oh god, there's so much damage on this thing. When the garage wheel fell off. Look at this shit. Everything's damaged. His hood's like destroyed. Hood's like destroyed. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Did the grill break yet? No. Not yet. Soon. This bumper cover's cracked now because they ran into shit with it. It's a big split on the side. Oh man, everything's in bad shape. What I collect parts for. Even this is in bad shape. Look at that. Chip. Chip, chip, chip. This thing's mint.